Hello guys, what's up? I am AR Gonzales. In this my video, I will going to show you how to repair these tiles. Because these tiles I decided to remove because of this troubleshooted of the piping lines is leakages, is damages the tiles. That's why the plumber guy, he decided to broke the tiles and fixing the piping. And now I'm going to show you how I made it to repair it. These tiles the 60 by 30 sizes. The tiles is 4 pieces, and this is 1, 2, and 3, 4 pieces. 4 pieces of tiles. I'll remove it first and then put it back again. Keep on watching, guys. Let's start rock and roll.
15 minutes later.
Moving forward, guys, after removing the damaged tiles, I'll mix it the cement or adhesive tiles, the adhesive tile glue. It's up to you, either cement or tile glue, the adhesive one. It's up to you if you want cement or adhesive tiles. And then mix with water and mix it to become a thicker paste or glue. Keep on watching, guys. Enjoy.
Minutes later.
And finally, the last Mix it the grout for the grouting. Grouting is a white grout. I'm using the white grout, or use the white cement for these white tiles. And then after grouting, wipe it the wall using the dry cotton cloth to become smooth and shiny wall tiles. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye bye.
Very good.